Step inside the 360 property time machine. Take a virtual tour of the property and see how it has evolved over time with our 360 routine inspections. From the first day, as you can see on the screen, to the latest inspection. Explore every nook and cranny and witness the transformation right before your eyes. How can we do it? Super easy. By grouping multiple 360 routine inspections in one VR tour. You can provide an interactive and engaging way to showcase the property's condition over time, while also making it easy to track any changes or updates that have happened. How can we do that? You need to go to your Virtual Tours Creator account, and on your homepage, you're going to have to find the tab called Groups. In Groups, you're going to have to create a new group, which is going to consist of Virtual Tours 360 routine inspections of a certain property. So let's go. Create a group. Oh, we have to give it a name. So let's call it Unit 1B. Create a group. And now going to ask us to add the groups. So we should have created previous versions of Unit 1B in time. And let's see what we have. Add tour to group. And now we have to find Unit 1B. We have a virtual tour of Unit 1B created in March 2023 and the previous one in February 2023. And that's going to give us that preview in time. So let's just choose them. Let's add February 1st and then March. And that's it. The tour is ready. We click go back. And now Unit 1B tour is created and we can preview it. And in the preview, you just need to open the menu. And in here, you're going to have those different dates. And you see Unit 1B in February 2023. And then in March. That's how easy it is. Guys, start creating routine inspections and calling them according to the dates when you create them. And then you can send this one big link to the landlord. So to whoever is interested. Have a look at that. When we're going to go back to groups, we have our Unit 1B group in here. And all you need to do is click the share button. And that's going to give us a link that we can copy and paste into the browser or into the email or into your routine inspection. And then whoever is going to get it, they can inspect the property in time and see any changes. Full transparency on everything, nothing to hide. Guys, I hope this is going to make your life easier. Please let me know what you think about it. And if you have any questions, contact me, tom@virtualtourscreator.com.au. Give us a call, hit us on social media. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.